Hey honeys, today I'm going to be doing my hair. I'm going to dye it light ash blonde. My hair is, you know, ash blonde. If I straighten it you will see the actual color, but because it's curly now and it's in its natural, you know, kinky state, you won't see the actual color. However, if you want to see how my hair is when it's straightened, I'll link a link above here. So anyway, so I thought it's time for me to dye my hair now because I have regrowth all around here. In the middle of my hair as well is quite a lot. I'll show you guys what products I've got to do my hair. The back of my hair is not the same color as the front, so this time around I'm going to start with the back of my hair first, then work my way up. The brand that I used before, which actually works for me, is the MAXIMA brand, and the color that I got is 901, but I bought two instead because the one didn't really do for my hair. And along with that as well, I bought the cream PEROXIDE, which is in 40 volume. So I have to mix the PEROXIDE and the hair color together in order for it to work for my hair. First of all, I'm gonna get one of these and a brush as well to put my products in, so put my hair color in and also the PEROXIDE. This is what it looks like. It looks a bit yellow, so I'm gonna squeeze it into this. What I do is just pour until I feel like I need to stop. I'm gonna use a brush to mix it. I'm done mixing my solution now. What it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. So now it's more thick. It's thick and creamy. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the PEROXIDE because it's a bit too thick. Yeah, that is much better than before. I'm gonna play music in the background for you guys to just chill and to watch how I do my hair, so continue watching guys. Okay guys, so it's been about 30 minutes. Show you guys how it looks right now without it being washed as yet. So this is what the hair is looking like. Just mad. I'm going to deep condition it with the VATIKA egg protein. I'm gonna wash it out and show you guys how it looks like, then apply this and I'll show you guys how it looks like afterwards. So see you in a minute, guys. This is how my hair is looking like. It looks really, really cute. I haven't put any conditioner in it as yet. As you can see, the edges is done. My hair loves VATIKA, like it makes my hair so soft. Imagine how dry it is, right? And after applying the VATIKA, it changes immediately, and that's what I like about this deep conditioner. It works very, very well with my hair. Now that I've applied the deep conditioner in my hair, that's what it's looking like right now. I'm going to leave it in for 20 minutes and I'll be right back with you guys in a moment. Right, so I just finished rinsing out the deep conditioner out of my hair. If you guys could feel how soft my hair is, it's ridiculous. So you can see it's very bouncy and just the curls are still there. So I love VATIKA. Literally, VATIKA changes my hair. Like, since I first use it, I can never ever like, I cannot stop using it at all. Like, it's so good. So anyways, I'm going to apply the conditioner throughout my hair. So I'm going to use the VATIKA conditioner in the Cactus. And it smells super duper good. I use that amount first to see how well it can go through my hair. This is not as slippery as the deep conditioner. My hair smells so good, oh my gosh. It smells so good. I'm gonna apply the ALMA hair oil onto my hair now. I'm gonna use this oil. I'm gonna drench my hair with this oil, like literally drench it, because my hair, no, I don't want my hair to get dry at all. So apply it all over. So this is the hair color of my light ash blonde hair. Love it. I'm just so obsessed with ash blondes at the moment. This will forever be my color, I think, because I really, really love it. And I don't like this bit though, but I will dye that again closer to the new year, so that it looks like this color right here. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are